kalimat bahasa Inggris di restoran beserta artinya.
May I see the menu, please? Do you have a vegetarian menu? What's the chef's special today? I'd like a table for two, please. Can we sit by the window? Is there a wait list for a table? May I have a glass of water, please? Could I get some ice water with lemon? Do you have any recommendations for appetizers? I'll have the soup of the day. Can I get that salad with dressing on the side? How spicy is the chicken dish? I'm allergic to nuts. Is there anything with nuts in this dish? What are the daily specials? Are there any gluten-free options? I'd like to order a bottle of red wine. Can you suggest a wine that pairs well with fish? What's the difference between medium rare and medium well? I'll have the steak cooked medium rare. Could you make that dish without garlic? Can I get extra cheese on my pizza? How long will the food take to arrive? Is it possible to split the bill? Can we get separate checks, please? We're celebrating a special occasion. Can you bring a dessert with a candle? I'd like to order a cappuccino after dinner. Do you serve breakfast all day? Can you pack the leftovers to go? I'll take the check when you're ready. How much is the service charge? Is there a kids menu available? Do you offer any vegan options? Can I have some extra napkins, please? This steak is overcooked. Can you please send it back to the kitchen? The food was delicious. Please compliment the chef. Is there a minimum order for delivery? Can I have some ketchup for my fries? What's included in the brunch buffet? I'd like my eggs sunny side up, please. Is it possible to get extra dressing on the side? Is there a charge for refills on soft drinks? What's your policy on reservations? Can I get a side of garlic bread with my pasta? Do you have any homemade desserts? Can you recommend a non-alcoholic cocktail? How large are the portions? Are there any daily discounts or happy hour specials? Can I get a to-go container for the rest of my meal? What time do you close tonight? Thank you for the excellent service.